Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Side Hustle Success. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can make money on Snapchat using Snapchat Spotlight. I'll also show you how to become eligible for Snapchat Spotlight and start earning online. If you're new to my channel, I create videos on various ways to make money online, including CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If this sounds like your cup of tea, scroll through my channel. There are plenty of videos that can help you out. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video that could boost your income. So, what exactly is Snapchat Spotlight? Great question. Snapchat Spotlight is a feature where people can upload videos similar to those on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. These videos are in portrait format and are just as engaging and fun. Snapchat initially launched Spotlight in 2020 and paid creators a hefty sum. Back then, a video with 1 million views could earn you between $20,000 to $50,000. However, things have changed a bit since then, and I'll explain how it works now and how much you can expect to earn with regular Snapchat videos and Spotlight. If you want to know how to become eligible for Snapchat Spotlight, just take a look at this article by Snapchat. Here's the gist. You need to create an account that's at least 1 month old, set your profile to public, and have a minimum of 1,000 followers. Don't worry, gaining followers isn't as tough as it sounds. Once your videos start gaining traction, you'll reach that milestone in no time. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of Snapchat Spotlight and start earning, stay tuned. And remember, making money online doesn't have to be complicated. It can be fun and rewarding. As you can see here, you need to receive a minimum of 1,000 views in a calendar month. A single viral video can help you hit this target, so it's not too daunting. Additionally, you need to post at least 10 times on 10 different days each month. And here's the kicker, at least 5 of those posts must use a Snapchat creative tool, be it camera, editing, or music. Snapchat's clearly keen on promoting their tools, which is why you need to use one in at least 5 of your posts to be eligible for their Spotlight program. Quite reasonable, right? To make more money, it's highly advisable to upload every single day. But, if that's too much, aim for at least 15 uploads a month. Consistency is key. And this will boost your eligibility. Your content must be original, created by you. So get those creative juices flowing and upload your unique content to Snapchat Spotlight. Now, let's address a common workaround, borrowing videos from TikTok or YouTube. Many try this, but 99% of the time, Snapchat catches on and shadow blocks these accounts. So, here's a smarter approach. Take videos from other platforms but give them a makeover. Add cool features like camera edits, filters, voiceovers, different background music, or quirky captions to make them unique before uploading them to Snapchat. This can help you drive traffic and engagement while keeping you in the clear for the Spotlight program. Moving on, you must reside in or post snaps from an eligible country. For a list of these countries, take a look here. Pause the video if needed. These are the countries currently eligible for the Snapchat Spotlight program. And folks, if your country isn't listed among these right here, don't fret. You can simply use a VPN to upload videos from those countries. The tricky part, however, is creating an account from those regions. But hey, you can always find a friend in those countries to help you set up a Snapchat account. Now, the real kicker is getting paid from that country. You might need a middleman to collect the payment and send it to you. So, yes, a middleman is crucial if your country isn't on the list. Moving on, you must set up a payment account and comply with Snapchat's community guidelines, content guidelines, Spotlight guidelines, and terms of service. But here's the catch with Snapchat Spotlight. There's a maximum amount of money you can earn per month, which is $1,000. So, whether you get 50 million views or just 2 million views in a month, you're stuck with the same $1,000. Fair? Maybe not. But that's how Snapchat rolls, unlike TikTok's creativity program or YouTube, where earnings are tied to the number of views. Snapchat has a bit of a lottery system. Not everyone eligible for the Spotlight program gets paid. It's like working all month and then not getting a paycheck. Unfair? Absolutely. But that's the system. To wrap it up, you now know more about the Snapchat Spotlight program, how to get videos onto Snapchat Spotlight, and how to gain engagement and earn some money by repurposing content from TikTok or YouTube. If this video added any value to your life, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video, folks. Goodbye.